What's good, y'all? Good evening. Prof. Kels here. So I know we are pretty much familiar with AI assistants or chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Copilot, which will, pretty much assist you in achieving a task by probably giving you like a step-by-step layout of how to achieve this task. And in this video, I'm pretty much want to shed some light on agentic AI or AI agents, where um, these agents will actually do the same thing like assistants will do by detailing or laying out how to get the task done, and will actually add an extra layer of doing the task for you automatically. So in this video right here, um, I'm focusing on Amazon Q, which is Amazon's agentic AI service that you can find on AWS. So I have it incorporated into my VS Code, which is my IDE that I usually use for coding. And on VS Code, you can see I have my terminal open as well, and I have my Ubuntu 24.04 Linux terminal open here, alongside where I have my Amazon Q chatbot. So in this video, I'm pretty much going to prompt um, Amazon Q agent to create a lightweight Super Mario game app and deploy it to a Docker container. Docker is pretty much an extra layer on top of virtual machines, but in this case, it's more so run stuff known as Docker images. But that's besides the point. If you want to learn more about Docker, go do some research, and very interesting technology. But right now we're focusing on deploying this Super Mario game on a Docker container. So I have on the lower left bottom here, you can see I have the prompt in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter. Currently, my Amazon Q agent is using a Cloud Sonnet 4 um, model. I'm gonna hit enter. Let me expand this a little bit right here. So it's going to say, I'll create a lightweight Super Mario game and deploy it to Docker. And this is pretty much the command it's going to create for us. It's going to make a directory called Super Mario game. Mind you, on my Linux terminal, if I list it here, you can see that I don't have nothing called Super Mario game in here right now. But I'm going to go ahead and hit run. And it will create this directory for me. And these agents are like so advanced in the sense that it will achieve the task for you, but you're pretty much getting all this done with a click of a button, and it's doing it for you. So you can see here it's loading. It's gonna create an index.html for me and pretty much do everything that I needed to get done in the background, which is super crazy because this is a task that will probably need development, testing, and deployment manually. That might take probably a full day of coding and operational tasks to get this done. But as you can see here, Amazon Q is getting all this done for me in the background. It's creating my HTML5, my CSS3, my JavaScript files, my Docker file as well. It's got these two stuff created. Like I said previously, we didn't have nothing called Super Mario directory here. I'll do a LL on my Linux terminal. And you can see right here that Amazon Q went ahead and created this directory for me, Super Mario game. We cd into the Super Mario game directory and list it out. You can see it's created the Docker file and the index HTML. And this is all pretty much being automated by itself. Now, the next step is to run the next building command that Q wants to execute. You have the option of letting Q automatically execute everything, or it can just give you what it wants to execute, and you kind of like approve it by clicking the run button. I like to kind of have a little control over what's happening. So I'll go ahead and click run. It's gonna build the Docker image is completed. It goes through all the steps right here, shows me the logs, and now it says it's running the Super Mario game in Docker now. All I need to do is run it. I click run, and everything here is pretty much happening in the background right now. It's running the Docker image. It wants to open it on a port 8082 on my web browser. I'll click open in browser. It's doing some port forwarding in the background and setting up my code space. And let's see the magic that Q is gonna get going for me. To test if the game is accessible, I'll hit a run. I'll perform a curl command to let me know everything is going. Now, finally, it says my Super Mario game is successfully deployed to Docker and it's accessible on this port right here. So what I'll do is I'll click ports, port 8082. I'll go ahead and click on it, open in the web. And voila, I have a Super Mario type game going on here. And it says press space to jump, D to move. Game over, I got hit by a bad guy. Let's start again. Oh, oops. All right, one more time. Jump, jump, jump. So this is pretty much just a lightweight type Mario game. You know, Mario, if I went full heavy scale, it might take a lot of space. And so I just kind of prompted it to, you know, give me something light. And all of this was achieved by Amazon Q agent. It did all the coding, the testing, all the deployment, everything for me automated, full scale. All I had to do was just click run and it got deployed. And that's how crazy that agents can do for you. Like, there's been word of a lot of people being laid off in the tech field due to AI. I wouldn't just say they're being laid off just due to AI. They're being laid off because now these tech engineers are using agentic AI or AI agents to get stuff done. Whereas back in the day, a whole team of testers, developers, and so forth, quality analyst people will be hired to get this done. But now we have technology like AI agents that will do this um, seamlessly in a full scale. So just wanted to show you guys some cool hands-on AI stuff. And yeah, watch out for more videos. Ciao. Peace.